Good morning. It is certainly a great day to be alive. What have you given God thanks for lately? What blessing have you taken for granted? Did you know that there are millions of people that did not wake up this morning? Do you know that there are millions of families that do not have food to eat? Did you know that there are millions of people who do not have the basic necessity of clean water? But here in Jamaica, we are fortunate to be surrounded by water, and we are fortunate to have a climate whereby we have frequent rainfall. Today I want to remind you, do not take advantage or take disadvantage rather of the simple blessings in your life. I want to remind you to get up every morning and thank Jehovah for those little blessings that you have. Whether you count them little, the Bible says little is much, right, with God. And so having life, having limb, having health, having food, having clothing, having all of that is a great blessing. I want to bless you today. I want to pray that you have answered prayers. And I want to pray that Jehovah will move mightily in your life in Jesus' name.